Welcome to our channel. Today we how to check Subway gift card balance. Activate and use your card step by step clearly. First, take your Subway gift card and locate the card number and PIN on the back. If there is a scratch-off area covering the PIN, gently scratch it with a coin to reveal the code. Make sure you are holding the correct card and that the numbers are easy to read. To check your balance online, open a web browser on your phone or computer. Go to the official Subway website for your country and find the gift card section. Click the option that says Check Balance or Balance Inquiry. Enter the full card number exactly as it appears on the card. Type the PIN code carefully and double-check for any mistakes. Press the Check Balance button and wait for the balance to display on the screen. If the website does not work, try a different browser or refresh the page once. To check your balance in store, visit any Subway restaurant near you. Ask the cashier to check the balance on your gift card at the register. Hand the card to the cashier and wait while they scan it or enter the numbers. Listen to the balance amount and, if needed, ask for a printed receipt. To check your balance by phone, look for the customer service number on the card or Subway website. Call the number and follow the automated prompts for gift card balance. Enter your card number and PIN when the system asks for them. To activate a Subway gift card, first confirm whether your card was purchased online or in a store. If you bought it in a store, it is usually activated automatically at checkout. If you receive the card as a gift, ask the giver to confirm it was paid for and activated. If the card was bought online, follow the activation or confirmation instructions in the email receipt. If your card is not working, contact Subway support and provide the card number and purchase details. To use your gift card in store, tell the cashier you want to pay with a gift card before completing payment. Swipe the card or let the cashier scan it, depending on the store's payment system. Confirm the remaining balance after payment if you plan to use the card again. To use your gift card online or in the app, add items to your cart and go to checkout. Choose gift card as the payment method and enter the card number and PIN to apply the balance. If your total is higher than the gift card balance, pay the remaining amount with another payment method. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.